Hey guys, so there's some definite breaking news out of Austin, Texas. So one person is dead and two people are injured. And so right now it's May 1st, 3:55 p.m. Eastern Time. There's literally no real information about this out there, except one person was literally stabbed to death and two other people were stabbed on the University of Texas's campus. So the police are saying that they've arrested the suspect, there's no more threats, but there are also people at University of Texas saying that the university has done a terrible job communicating with the public. So that's one thing that University of Texas really needs to work on, is their communication with their students and their faculty. As of right now at 4 o'clock on May 1st, we don't really know what the motivation was. But what I probably do know is that this is definitely related to some sort of mental illness, and America really has to start taking mental health more seriously. Just over the weekend on, I believe, Friday, maybe Saturday, there was a university in Kentucky, Transylvania University, where a guy went around stabbing people. Pulled out a machete. So he was stabbing people based on their political affiliation. I guess the only bright side of this situation, if I had to look at a silver lining, is at least this wasn't a gun that this guy was going around using, because then a lot more people would have probably been dead. So anyway, my thoughts and prayers are with you, University of Texas and Austin. Hope everything gets worked out down there. And props to law enforcement for, actually catching the suspect instead of killing him, This guy's actually alive in custody, so that's good to know. Hopefully we'll be able to get some answers out of this. Alright guys, hit the subscribe button. We do news like this occasionally. Usually we try to be a little bit more in-depth, but this story is literally just breaking. So, alright, thanks guys, see ya.